Unveiling hidden dangers, foods to sidestep for optimal health. Processed meats, including favorites like bacon and sausages, carry hidden dangers due to their high levels of nitrates and sodium, which have been linked to cancer and heart disease risks. Trans fats, often found in snacks and baked goods, pose a silent threat to heart health by raising bad cholesterol levels while lowering the good ones, leading to cardiovascular problems. High fructose corn syrup, a common sweetener in sodas and sweets, contributes to obesity, diabetes, and liver damage. Its excessive consumption is a major concern for public health. Artificial sweeteners, marketed as a healthier alternative to sugar, may actually have adverse effects on metabolism, gut health, and could potentially lead to weight gain and glucose intolerance. Refined grains, stripped of their nutritional value during processing, can spike blood sugar levels, contributing to obesity and type 2 diabetes, making them a perilous staple in daily diets. Fast food is tantalizingly quick and delicious, yet it's brimming with hidden dangers. From excessive sodium and trans fats to low-quality ingredients, these meals can significantly impact heart health and weight. The allure of canned foods lies in their convenience. However, they often contain high levels of sodium and BPA, a chemical used in packaging that can affect your hormonal balance and overall well-being. Choosing between organic and conventionally farmed produce can be a dilemma. Pesticides used in conventional farming may linger on your fruits and vegetables, raising concerns about long-term health effects and environmental damage. Farmed fish, a staple in many diets, comes with its own set of issues. The use of antibiotics and the presence of pollutants in fish farms can lead to antibiotic resistance and health risks for consumers. GMOs spark a heated debate in the health community. While they promise increased crop yields and nutritional enhancements, questions about their long-term health impacts and environmental effects remain unanswered. Salt, often hidden in our favorite foods, poses a silent threat. Overconsumption can lead to hypertension and heart disease, making it crucial to monitor intake for a healthier lifestyle. Sugary drinks are more than just sweet treats. Their high sugar content can spike insulin levels, leading to obesity and diabetes. Opting for water or natural juices is a healthier choice. Low-fat foods are misleading, often packed with sugars and additives to enhance flavor. This substitution can lead to weight gain, contradicting the purpose of choosing these options for dieting. Energy drinks offer a quick energy boost, but at a cost. The high caffeine and sugar content can lead to heart palpitations and anxiety, outweighing their temporary benefits. Artificial coloring, found in many everyday foods, raises health concerns. Linked to behavioral issues in children and potential cancer risks, it's wise to seek out naturally colored alternatives for safety. Margarine versus butter has long been a heated debate, especially concerning heart health. While margarine was once hailed as a healthier alternative, its high trans fat content raises significant concerns, unlike natural butter. Soy products have garnered attention for containing phytoestrogens, compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. This has led to questions about their impact on health, particularly in relation to hormone-sensitive conditions. Red meat, a staple in many diets, comes with its share of risks. High consumption is linked to increased heart disease and cancer risks, prompting experts to advise moderation and smarter choices like lean cuts. Alcohol walks a thin line between being a social lubricant and a health risk. Moderate consumption might offer some benefits, but the scale tips quickly towards potential liver damage and addiction risks. Diet foods often promise weight loss with little effort, yet they can be misleading. Filled with artificial sweeteners and additives, they might not aid weight loss and could lead to unhealthy eating habits. Don't forget to like and subscribe.